Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Terraria on your laptop. First, you'll need to acquire the game, typically through a digital platform such as Steam. After purchasing, download and install it, which usually takes only a few minutes. Before starting, quickly check your laptop specifications to ensure it meets the minimum requirements for a smooth experience. Once installed, launch the game, create your unique character, and generate your very first world to begin your adventure. Navigating Terraria on your laptop is straightforward with keyboard and mouse. You'll use the W, A, S, D keys for all character movement, allowing you to walk, jump, and descend. The left mouse button serves as your primary action key for attacking enemies and mining resources. Conversely, the right mouse button is essential for placing blocks and using items. Remember to press the escape key to open your inventory and manage your gear, and use the mouse wheel to quickly cycle through your hotbar items. To thrive in Terraria, focus on early progression. Your first task should be gathering plenty of wood and stone to craft essential tools like a pickaxe and axe, along with a workbench. Before the first night, construct a simple house with walls, a door, and a light source to keep hostile creatures out. Once safe, venture underground to mine for vital ores such as copper, iron, and silver, which are crucial for upgrading your equipment and weapons. To truly enhance your Terraria experience, consider a few optimizations. First, dive into the game's video settings to fine-tune them for your laptop's capabilities, balancing visual quality with smooth frame rates. For improved precision in combat and building, a wired mouse can offer a significant advantage over a trackpad. Finally, once you're comfortable with the base game, explore the vast world of community-made content, including texture packs and quality-of-life modifications, to discover new ways to play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.